jëlee ko waaw nga dugal ko TikTok mu gën a nice seen caram de yéen ñëpp ngeen uti liggéey daa ful leen seen boss kicks mu ngi viral dobe ci la de ko daaw moom selu leen loolu
Sajid come here.
mu ngi nice
It's all right. Boy, hey.
boy kamal boy so boy eh Mos boy Mos
If you kill someone, let them kill you. I give you only 1 month.
Definitely dina ko rëccu because boy bi sa mi la ko
every day we are late.
Definitely 1 week tamanta do ko la 1 week tamanta
drive it ye somewhere else they
tamanta wa firo lan fele sirin
sa school to ye fa
yi buka fitti buka ha
dina rëccu dum def abe ni misala la ko la
buka ha buka fitti fan sai 1 week defere sirin bunko no buka ta hani dula buka ta do ko buka ta wa firo buka ta hani fenna because ni mo sifa mo fala ni lu sifa
Sister Mailen ma ya boy
my experience this is the first time pour que join mail to this is the first time pour kata jeba ñinam first time before ametala
no
experience
ex convict lo do ko ne ex convict do la
ex convict won kon yalla nako say mal tout le rule bi je fo fendi yalla bi nya experience le kunan kana feya ñola ñi manke ya amanke ya de
yalla tembe mi
because munati momi yalla ko ita mu convictolati mal tout kono yimu convict ne soron ne no ya understand ni keta convictolati jenu yena ko tangi yenyi ñon crime ke ye dundi ye sala way metna ko sla nya warta me yalla ko mosa fono ko nafta jabe mentarra komi momi yalla man je experience bar momi yalla tata fay je experience ay na crime ka dunta je wo man keya bob ñin dañi aman keya de mal mo so lu fa nekk de
Alimbar dole comment ja ko he is deported from Germany because maintenant mo len de call akonyo ko ni ya deport le so ko nyoka kata ko nyota mo di kelende la you understand
Bob
so même problème mo
yalla dafa jaratut port sa because ki suñ ko waré quota ci sta degluma ki suñ ko waré quota sa munna andi benen problème ci deka bi because lan la man mi xawma keneen de waaye man dina ma fee xanaa ma bañ a yéeg code bi de waaye su ma ko yégee man suma marto lay demal wala suma anything lay dem xawma lu ma demal nag waaye kii su ma ko jeekoo laa la wax de xanaa Gambia bañ a génn si de waaye man kii su ma ko jeekoo naa tégal de bu baax a baax
génn dafa am because man
yii musut ma naxari man ay rey yii nii ay code yii nii musuma si duga si waaye su Gambia génnutee man dinaa génn
bro na ngeen def anga Bob soo gisee dee yi bari Gambia moo amul justice understand because Gambia amul justice because da nga xool jaxa bu ngay kóolóori ñu ne kooku dafa am mentality ñu riis kooku noonu jaxa bu rey Westfield ñu ne kooku dafa am mentality te ñoo yëpp sénégalais la ñu riis understand léegi su nekkee ne ku rey nit ñu ne da nga am mentality ñoo riis
hara si kooku sax hara man ci kooku man har ma explain leen dara yéen har ma explain after ñu ñëw benn gis nga kolo yéen a ngi remember ma ka fa mané ka because na sura ka mo mesena ya remember kolo li salono de osunguro men faji me ya fa e ka fa ko tafa ngame tafa lo ndana bebe no mile tule bebe ya fa de yala en menke because ka menke bra mile tule ay beton ele beton lo ay beton ta nyime ay beton jamal ta ka ado fo du ta no ko you understand so ya operate so it goes if like ni bi they have to do something for medical ground so ya pade amur da Senegal fa da jema fa mo bante mel mira Gambia loi menti bre ya jambe bi jam e ko ni mo fa yanda ke pade you understand so that's the time for na I remember ya jambe time ko na mo fa kala siara ba daw sa birana ay death sentence ke no awo modul fa mo fa tra so comme men jete modul fa e astaghfirullah jete modul sentence am me ako ya hang ako minister of justice ya hang wala ya sama makar square ya bunki dola so alma mira ko government example set wala ni mo kulu balo men bodo sai ha ya samba gesi e kidota ya bum mo be ay ko fatale eta ya ni men fa no e bade
ya ni waketa bob keta faro web talala la Gambia kon ya da sa fek ima example set mon nyala ya yetan ye mo bu kidola o ya hang fa ya example set ya be ya je
sister balal ma
ata stop lore
ye mo la nyala ko ñu ma dum ta ñola
16 years
Bob
what mo li before ya fa fo mo de be keri
Bob
this is very serious in Gambia by this moment. Tonya tanta Gambia the combine. That's how we Gambia. Sister.
Ami ala ko to ko malon ko furnela ante fula furnela e dum tanyola yafa you that one also
dama dee follow court case gis nga boy bii nii ak lu munta nekk even suma liggéey bi dañ ma daaxa sax ak fu munta taxaw man dinaa make sure man suma waala dinaa ko jël si boy bi su soobee yàlla inshallah
non doo ko jot pare ñoo ko gaay
bu dugal sa bopp si problème sax kii doo ko jot
maytu du place boobu sax pour nga dem rek pour nga am accès si nit
non court hearing bi diggante bu moo doxee si corridor bi ak fu munta nekk dama make sure ma try bro man damaa jël suma wàll su ma leen waxee damaa jël suma wàll su leen déggee boy bi dóor nañ ko wala mbéj nañ ko rek xam leen ne man maa jël suma wàll
bokk ki dafa rey
dama dee follow court si so xam naa suma lay daf ba jot kii nii
ñi ma woo fe ñi man si la because I male to experience already so anu alinga si at the end album ko ñi commando ya belle because why I mental issues so that sama plan to I cannot doctoral maje and then you do the worst thing again because isn't there mean focus I think killing to ya bun ya sama plan at the end ya ko hanga bulat
so nigga understand Gambia mostly melka faro ke kamen fe kundo wala mental
issue what am tell problem they tell them they get mental issue what am tell problem
mental issue when you go to the mental again they will take you to the hospital for treatment of mental issue and secondly again the hospital they will say that alanga abula mental issue la bala kirip karap and they bribe the nurse that is all we do in Gambia here you can fall in which people will see that this boy is dead because it is crime ke imanda wale kana ka Gambian will neng kotage again and secondly the police will be there they don't know anything about that no one is saying anything about this case
ngo wasa na monde na pamoja ya na bunda bero ani daba ko pani beo
e wondi dingo jibe ya fa e bala tiyo mambori don't be your they don't used to call a Muslim you will kafir olti ya xal ma dingo jibe ya li pa fo ya fa dak ani yo suwe lo kono ha
li paro ko bisa
where is your grandma or something abiji ala fa kan ita mari ka bala fa way nyami ka taraje ka kwa mo kara way adi ite mu jibe ya li pa ya fa bala tiyo me bori ani bismillah fa ni man tara fo
mo be si duwa dron ala mo ale kunna ko ale molbe mo akane ko kunna ko wote ya la ma do je wala life ala ka taman sero de brin duniya ja wol kunno ku ya tala mom futa nyanta jogis la dame dol kunno ku ya tala fa in general because wol dol teje la ala wo
jahannaba chabu la ko waye
men ta jahala yemo la mol fa yemo baade nam folo yede samba court ika di mol ika pare ika mol banning ika camera kiss aka mol kiss so which mean ning ndefe to nyata nyanya mata man kendade because mo me ran ka be kendade
bob kada fa ko nyim nyama
ni ba ken ni alu kundi mo nyim muta
jamande ay mo nek jama fo ya deport
how many people they deport ni mo jelle deport
ko jama
ya do je
ibe siri la ko
yalo bob kuma kin ka fe ka fa ko jama ka deport
even
ka deport kala ko we you don't comment clan they don't deport
driving na about life making I'm a mental mo me force kata bahuye tara bahuye dunta you don't have good paper there they deport you what is the fault na if I tell a fault mo ko ita ko ni bang ko kan imang kahit kin no sudo je ibe tay way fol wa drug wa
ko
ni na mala bo ni do mal ni na mal
they will sell everything that they need to sell in Gambia
ko be mu drug wa fo ni nyama wa fol muna de te bo le la fate auto
fast money kala fi wala ita woni bang ko ya fa drug wa fle in one year ite na Gambia ye bumbal
Aliano ko last June in Saint Tema, more than 12 people you all in just 1 month.
Yes,
Just 1 month.
Just 1 month. 12 people.
This
very crazy.
just this month already. Bob,
Just
be
this
just this
month
month
over.
already. See,
Hansa
just this month already. You understand? Because justice lenyen to ko ni ni death penalty no ni
Since
mo
you
pa
come
ye pa.
on in for Peter Gara, since that issue up
Penalty
to
lenyen
now,
to sotola.
our class, we used to have class in 8 o'clock. We used to go to 7 o'clock. But say 9 o'clock la mula kata because mul makahani. Ibo iba maya yes muntu do ye ku ita sino ita ye pa kensenke. Ati enjine mule ne bade with nimiso. Amanke kom. We have to know alala. We don't want to leave. But fa nya do bi ya.
Nyindi
Jara mane ka fanya sura kan fenna mankala he's well fen mankala so saying atele amara bi ni mo fa membe keri why what is the problem mune be keri you understand because they membe je tan tamal la ken sam nginde dul ko election yala be keri skeno sacrifice la be keri I don't believe that mon le be la kulubal yalla ka drokol dung ika dunde mo la bankol kono so government have to invest in these drugs ni apartment on ni ngin klopol ni ngin ko kono all this nonsense will ka start jere nte bebe gambere mbe kata non parti lale government nental ka mul makoy mbe bolo kono mambo je dinin mereng men yalo ko 13 years 14 years 15 years ita tay mani do mo ya lipa ya fa so men ka faka nyama ta nyama ma kulubali yala bala because nyama to atno lo wonya because biya alaji ay lam hey, that music will play kanya mo just listen to him. Okay, number 1, Action Day tamu nga se saga ne ko news day kese de ani fa namba ma yo fa nene because ite la imu kulu bali alti prison officer nga mel lonje al kam menke do na futa na fa la kun li fa kun SNA 7 ala samba confinement number 5 atele am nga da men fo tanka ala samba confinement ala la person bro dia ana na bu je fa sumuna ke je fa fata ala bro je because ngena imu kulu bali alti ndamu fa ninkelte ndamu na mo fan na mo la fan ngani apureta prison but this guy is very disrespectful he is very rude ni mankulu ni namol makulu o astaghfirullah man kala molti ni ma fankulu because kebalom because this is very disrespectful it is more la mofa among 1 week fancy from for the family with grief kan they are grieving they have not even come out of that yet arraigned before the court at least so remorse ay tandila ko ha nyingeta mbulo ko le man taw baral si am fanye barita moki ikana ika Gambia ikela middle finger ta ika wulindi banko be ika fako demle ngenduga ko TikTok faka faka sika fon sanye nyinya matal ningo nyamato amanke comme I'm even trying to use that as an excuse pour ka bula bari nyinya matale nyi mankende he is sick this guy is sick nyi yanda ka nyi bol bula nyola don Westfield direct 3 minutes ya discipline ya sama mile 2 so mile 2 official membe bella maka arse mol jobate wala tel membe biji alingin kun li for kana roswaro use de allan serkenson use for ala kun li ala seal this boy is mad ngin si mo fano mile 2 le de because mile 2 atele alone number 5 number 4 confinement berol bod lal berole alingin seal they should watch this guy he is mad ngin si mo fano le astano mile 2 fa mo da comedy because e ka mol kun ko jele lan setol 85 fan ni woto so alo la fana garde because ni mankende ñi ñal no ka life is done ñin ala ñin dama ni jojol fa ni loyal in prison court rek sa fanole but what is happening kunu ko fana busumbala dindi merol tara 15 years dinno fa nde ko je Gambia damane Africa damane may ka restaurant wol tay ka dinno allowed men be 15 16 ka do night club hol kono ala nga tonya fana fo ñoy government cannot do all these things regulation wol bije night club tiol al ID card hol tal kana ko do dam jube momo yala no kam for 18 years ndabe Europe da menya right now wallahi ni tara restaurant fonda pour ka dunji they ask you for ID card ni mo for 18 years another if I'm Bill Gates or if I'm Mohammed Jad or if I'm Bashir Jawari they don't allow you to go in why can't Gambia do that but Gambia be dinol 14 15 years wala kara club ye kesolta ye dolomi ye taisaba inyae ma yana ye molfa wala mole perde to alika dinol da manefa apartment yo mo tam apartment o dindo dindi mer non ko amon futa certain age alkana la apartment o renti ya because ni manta apartment o do ani yim bichol to 10 dindo din bita ja ye saj because this is getting out of hand niya for mole malen ko ikam for but most of these cases all men bebe ke kan teng wallahi I can swear to my 3 kids ngam men soto droko ka involved jail drugs ka involved jail because this is crazy. Understand? On the age, you can for the age cannot buy a cigarette or whatever in the West. Exactly, but Gambia je more fun. If found the women who America with 10-15 years or 10 years, yet $10 or the IFI coteta cigarette or Sanyana. Avana looking at cigarette on Malala Saba. Government cannot do all the moment government hate Katamin that I don't like them, but government cannot do this. We also have to take our own responsibilities. Ngayon din mo tag kulu mole don't put in the right things la din do fanan time nan kata school wala intella club tal ni ndulal bi ngi la diva wala de maxisas wala de LP wala de nga ice cream sanga sai din do ta manke club pot din do ta manke drokot because bi ni e fo nyaman di jani tate drokota ye mola mo fa wala tate mola mo song ital bi ju sendela mile 2 ila parents will be control ci kala asambe ji rek bari batani be kele te fonti din do fana nyantal ka long din do danga din la Naja bintel kananka diam jaw we just love and care about you guys but nale mo mola mo fa jang ibatal le mutale ya strong adme present fana dani la menna death sentence bi jan entel ma fa ko ngam mo muta dron ha be ba man taw bar mo tawta e mo fa comme ya jambe mem fo isita ye sigarto saba ye dolo min ye pilo ke balo kono fo e juwo farata e pareta ikate ka muro ci kate ka mandi mo muta boy ka so you should be killed. They have to set example to somebody. Government need to set example. Wala minister mo le Dr. Sisa ka ko no itel mantaro kala ne mo soronto dead ibe kala life let that life ibe tawala padin la but ni mo me mo fa tamen na ko fam be dundi ya samba ya kitin the sentence to death ya na ya londi Westfield wala ya londi jana ya hang nga dang account five jiki jaka je five fa ita ya bade ya televise TikTok ol be na 360 wol manka jang wol ci network ol be ya bondi fondin kel ya ja sa Gambia ne mo fay ke faale de wallahi ñi batara ya be stop la banko kala because this is very painful. We are losing young people. Look at Yunusa, a young university lecturer, and it even do rek yeb kabota ya so account. Look at how painful that one is. We talk about that girl in Westfield. So mada juna sarta la bama la na fama akakata do ko for father family na do ya call ikay ko nying ya fale because of what ab do ko la birolto ite na rege do yemande sunko dino taraje ya fa ngola kesta nga faje this girl in Lamen St. Peter's lo sunko to nying ya fa o case falenta be fenkereje la marana stadium moto jana ya fa ya nube bonde ntelbe mail to nyawnya we see that video and be your case be pending because sunguro nyi sai kanya matale ye case suspend le follow you understand affirmate leptanoto affirmate Medicare balaji yes Medicare balaji last year mbele o jang atata dunje ay sungude no taraje imagine sungude no nying atana la broda be ka do ko kedde broda be leptanoto atabe biroto ibena to nyolo do ko raje imira boy ko nyoy ko goodbye wolbe ke last time tibe nyojala yena ya muta ya fa nothing is happening another girl ya fureta la jena jeto do burfoot la gadi no kono so what is going on in my country what is going on kununko busumbala anen jana fo sen luanga lomba sen luanga ko nying na telefona taboko to ma fo la moti na taboko to jeto dum that club ali ma ko jeto la bang wo club mo mbeta boko to yedi no mem faje last week I forgot the former Saint Luanga Charles Lomba Mala I don't know the club name Saint Charles Club auto it had no mutaji ya faje garasoto these idiots ngamenke mbarate menka gamenul be banente it had la moto di mola la moto fix ina te atarje ya kelendi it had ya so muro lo ya fa busumbala so askeno for jani Wednesday Thursday Friday be another moda case le jela so what is going on in the Gambia? Al Musa Sabali and Brikama for Brikama you didn't sabol me mutaje Musa is it Musa excuse me is it Musa Sabali so what is going on government be même fa inte de mi ko be la ñim ko be kere na president be tek ya jambe ka fintele no ay diam baro president ya manke ko doro yetar sirin state house kono yebula moto kono wala bi usene da kasi ñim election yela nya kasi usene da bo wala wol manke na man salti ngeytele ta gambeno le carte fa yetele you should come out and talk to Gambians ye mon ri aso ka itandi ko karam to dinu jibe say ko be kata no school fan sama da juno karam to dinu ko be kata no study la musol ko be kata no ila ndugal la soma da juno saying Mr. President ak alanin ki lay finte nambang inin gambeno le diam bari ni mo fa be caring the president cannot come out to address his people but bi ni lo ya da bo diam da jandron asina ha mfama ten wala talim la ndele jato fa but tamen no jato be jato mem fa jamme kamen ko mande jato wo fa mo la mol fa janne man tra support ka wala bari ni ba tar ya be kera ka finte la diam stop. Mr. President, we want you also to come out and step up and show us the leadership. Ko leadership man ke dron ka convo dung ka si state house ka kondomo ke pare ka finti na wanya no you need to come and assure the Gambians that hey nyimbe stop la stop. Baro Gambia man tan happy la ko kono ade bi ni niol men bebe bogan Gambia kono jang akede la time kono wallahi there will become a day ite tale israt kuntribe nyininka ala ba fole ko ite president baro nga Gambia karfetel la kabo 2017 la for 2021 for 2020 be jola fanga 2026 mona na nyimbembe ke kay man son ka diam der Gambia non fana nga jom soto boy nga nyakas ni baro ko la let's all come out together na oppositional be na together we get rid of baro because baro man mol care kurang ofta janne boy baro man finte ka diam mol la mol be fa ka njang boy arna to fa ñoy last month June in Sainte more than 5 people young people who come out to address the nation to reassure us that come there are steps that be meltala Gambia la Gambia da mane mo be siri be dating nobody is doing anything about it but this is the fact this is the truth they cannot be killing people every day people are dying al samplo set ni mo kulu balola nte prison billahi nkabala fanga mo ko je kata prison but this idiot la ta prison I really like it because it tata no la jang mol be diam le fe kan ka Gambia be mu de ka mol be baneng because yola ke jay ko Gambia no be mala saram fo saram ndelom fo nyaadi lom ye mo be baneng han ko fo be tulo ka fo gal cigarette sanni ye samba mile tu ita ye mo la kontoni simon dila no yenda ka indim fo ninkel bula no 5 minutes Westfield ni ala sonda 54 mbulu 4 federa selo kono abal na ko kulubali ama mo na fa fen this is very sad so president be dan la menna in death sentence mo ye mo fa bala firun kono ma fa ko accident de binter bem fondin ke ala beta mo bula men kono bari site kono fa de pilo mi yeta e saba yete muro ci ke mo tra la restaurant ye mo tra la do kudla ya fa ni ku ya kono bala firun kono ye samba court you cannot even show remorse Fekana boy kamol be banning, you should be killed. This is very disrespectful and very shameful. Bring him more far than be jang. Bring a more pick. But please, ninga more pick. Jumala moderating kelaja. Left a more be mute. Ninga more command. Men follow be do my way diam. Do fan a diam. Malaf life in be do nyokoro. You understand? Jumal Bekela moderator, you are insulted. Who am I insulting? I don't insult anybody here. Do I insult anyone? Fatu Sisi. I did not insult anybody. Who want to be a moderator? But I'm more caring moderator. Yesterday also, a 15 years was killed in Busumbala. Okay. So saying, ni take a moderator, please, ninga melpik. Ite diam rek. Just tell us what need to be done because this is unacceptable. What is happening in Gambia manyana kake? Mola funding kel bebe faka. Momo na like 2 minutes. Nite di amta 2 minutes. Ita. Do fane na. I'm trying to pick us. Moderator, I'm all pick bang. I could be picking everyone. Make me moderator. Hold on. Let's start. Yeah, hold on. I'm trying to pick up No, hold on. Fatima, let's start with Fatima. Please, Momo said the line on mute. Nima mute like mbeji ndilale. I'll mute. But start la dumala. Fatima, you can go ahead.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam, Fatima. Momo na the line on mute. Why, please? Wala mbeji ndilale. Yes, Fatima, you can go ahead. Fatima. So we may ko discuss kami. May la ko discuss. Ni boy ni na ni baro friend ba kala boy billahi wallahi taala. Ngam mo jala baro friend boy ba ni na bala friend nya fon is just too much. Mar fa kam mo la ba. Is anyone hearing me? Nan kam mo ba asa fe duma yes, I don't know. Can someone please. Namen pick mo do diambang.
Okay, al numbara.
Ini mbara.
Okay. Mbala FGB kana sayna fo meta biro la nye mbenda nyumboyo la video fe after nata naje be life la. Okay. Ndefe comme nimbo ni ay menkate ning aman bete ya dal ay menkate aman be anday men farankate kulubali yala ni ajibe so ndefe natare comme bi ni mo fa nyame ni ko ekten non ata fanan kata fa wala nyam ay nyim ma nyamen ka to kala ata be mi rara kula la men comme nin kaga menon ne wala kam ko mon ko ton ne manke kilen so ko pare senden den mo fa ma Gambia ko na abisiar mbaker
asiata le mo fa
asiata bakel hana man ko comme ndafe men kata ko mbojang mol ko la fan out ken but ajibe last time basi wakera o moto nin drive mi yalon ko mo la ta tam tripla ata ya fa wo case fa mo ka mo sa mo ba fakan so ko ma o mari be justice so yana jibe ko den mo ko ten ko to men be ka fa mari mendi wol wota fa o meter sense no justice man keji me ya fa malon fo fa me soro ni na ko ya bla ba mo ma kala lo yana jibe wo do western union do kulal men fa ne mi ko yebe fa wodi numero farmata ni fa ay sa tolamba imin be fa hanbi wol fa na mo manku lo njito so nde men je ni solution nde men je solution ni mo fa yafa
thank you so much sister. Next one in 2 minutes momo na 2 minutes like 2 minutes. Mr. King Laka, you can come in. Then we have bad friend.
Yes, assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam.
Yeah, come like they are nyami ya Gambia. Gambia bidaka nyami nga tunato ya manda taranku, you know. Because near more farm they falale. Gambia jale iga moja mala fa an case do fanan keda jenne comme like Gambia badi isa no badi fengo badi masakunda sol fono right now badi masakunda kandu iga mo fale the next minute president of ga back ninji be Senegal fajana. So if you kill some people you want to kill you. You know, Gambia.
So guys, anyway, live in Mom Fenkano because left and Mole contribute, but they are not listening to each other. So I'm for wrong. This is very heartbreaking. This is very sad. Definitely, as a young person, as a young activist, a politician, a businessman, I feel so heartbroken. I feel so heartbroken for the fact that day in, day out, young people are dying in the Gambia. The monkey Gambia thing, we were called the smiling coast of Africa because Gambia was peaceful, Gambia was nice, Gambia was safe, but it's no more. It's no more. Every now and then, more of a faka. Every now and then, more of a faka. And most of the time, many kake, young people will learn. Young people will learn. So the amount of drug men in Bangkok is a lot. Government nyantalaka more makoi. Government nyantalaka more makoi. Mansaya manke drone ka in state house ka kongo domoje ka bula moto kono ke political opponents will attack. No. Presidency is about safeguarding your people, because if people are not safe right now, how do you expect them to do anything? So what right now, boy, nothing is controlled in the Gambia. Fem diata moy inta la border la yere ta dunia bela border. Ne Africa foko ha kariwol malafi luntan la. No, ani Europe jang be Europe da men jang. Bol ni ninka ba men kana Europe jang. You don't just enter anywhere in Europe like that. They control their borders. But Gambia border mo na tay na ay tan na business so ay tay business ay birikin din ta dron ay restaurant no yele je ay salon no yele je akamu nek less than 1 year or 2 years aja bare nyuro borondika awo ko robondi min tole ito kala no Europe je yana Europe jang yesta dron fat ibe ngin kubal ki ka moto balbe bonda bank statement ibe kuma lebe nyinen kala where do we get this money from? But Gambia no. Foreigner kilim benala dron ni Africa fako ha garul resist. No, but that is the fact, because it man Gambia no care. Ima care fonga nyofa itrebe ko do men so daga yola care. So most of ngin drokol ni ngin pilol ni ngin cool mem console ni ngin membe ka dunjang itel ka dundi eta klopol kono boy bro ntel be ka dun klop but ni be klop ko le ka jele drokol ni cool membe ka dunje is just too much. Kadija to call, you are very right. We have to check our own attitude first, because government ni mbeke no la ntel fo nyanda ka check momo akabosu wolo kono momo ay banim fanen sister lesoro. Let's try to check ourselves. Until you sul men fanam bedware al ngalon ko ngana popos long ni bita parti la teta parti la parti enjoy yesena bari bita parti le be crack mala ibita parti le be pilo mala ibita parti le be gaw mala ibita parti to be apartment rent la men dia te ba kire je ta ye mandi te mo la mo fa yeta ye sorong for the rest of your life, because aka cold wala yeta fam fa if rende men fa yola family bonondi yeta fa ne bono, and this is very bad. This is really bad. Whenever can every day we have more fala. Night club tiol alala night club for control government ne momo mala night club for control atel la marta government la atel la marta ngina lila lansino 6 alila club for strong alkana on the age allowed ikata club for kona mon correct apartment tiol atel men be apartment lola ala mansino de ite mari la apartment lo ite di musote la korda kono yo safeguard yela apartment o chika yadi agent sola agent so ma lon ko fo bob kedo fatti 13 years le man fabe 12 years le, but as far as I $2,000 le jo yela apartment o diala ay tela apartment o ta nen sungude ndon le ta je ye crack diala wala e pilo diala ay kontan ay mandi ay tay mandi muta ay mandi mumuta a fa wala baraba wala tay mo la bidi ko te alon ko e fane yo jini bo sotale ari dunia ko ne ko ngako soto nyaaw nyaay ba be check la killing nga soto nyame adu nga check nyame mba spell la nyame. So ni de mari le apartment on law ila apartment o Canadi agents sola, because most of these agents they don't care for dindo mu dindo le fe manke dinde ba as far as itel be ko soto kanje. This is what they care. You understand? This is what they care. So be the trailer so kono yela so kono muda bo ya control ye do control ari be modo la life destroy ka.
Yo inimbara de bubbling.
Yeah.
Muna we diarin.
Alhamdulillah.
All good, huh?
All good, yeah.
Yalong Gambia, the way Gambia is heading is very disheartening, na brother. And icha near kuje kule asabu. And Gambianol ninko nga tonya fo nyoe na brother bibi te niaje Gambianol be sofa kamfam because tonya le man sabati. There is a lot of injustice and inequity in our society. And on no ko kata even police or from any better investigation or mune ko sabi ka wala follow jibe what caused it. You understand? Jimbe Gambian all ya ya long ga ikamim for na brother. You see in life na brother, you must be truthful or you face the consequences, man, bro. What there is no perfect government in this world. And it tubabol ya fango. Tubabol la satel be sateti je mi along ko identa constitution all. Each and every nation have its own constitution. You understand? So Nyimbe, because of we Gambian all decide to live blindly. You understand? We have a great leader which was respected in the whole universe, but your brain was to an extent that Gambian all Amirako, he is a bad leader. Kabring our changes kala Gambia change na brother. There is no government which does not kill in this world. Yeah, America la mansa kudaka mimfa sangoto Gambia buka ofa. Guantanamo is in America the most dangerous prison na brother. Je electric chair bele bije na brother, injectional bele bije, different kind of method sol pour ka hadama dingo pour ka nyin mo kurungol eliminate bro. Bije wol be falal ni ko nga we achieve what bunam ya jambela advice to bring up back in 2016. He gave the government, he gave Barrow only one advice, only one. Wala security na brother. Without security you cannot achieve nothing na brother. You understand? So since coalition 2016 is the problem of this.
You work towards maintaining peace and stability.
Yeah, bro. So you understand?
Let me make it clear. You cannot achieve anything anywhere in Africa.
Thank you very much, bro. Nothing absolutely, na brother. Nothing absolutely. Ila korda fongo ni Cairo tije na brother. You cannot achieve nothing. There must be law and enforcement in any nation which want to achieve development. The law must be enforced. Momo man so wala bro ajibe boy lolo. Yeah. Wala na ko law and
but say also bro, yeah. You can remember definitely we all agree that we have a, even though I don't believe Korea Jambe Damanisi Gambia rule, no, I don't believe in that because government let me come. Government is continuity, but right now we have a very weak government. We all agree on that. We have a very weak government, yeah. But don't we think so? Don't we think so, yeah? Ni government betakan. Itala role movement as a leader is to assure your people. But the government USA with all these killings when happen, the minute the president cannot even come to talk to the Gambian, come more assure. Science and the student about the damn ganja. You quite from the school, someone that you know just saying. More
than 1 hour, medum and balla brother. Ngala conversation all be bro. Wala na nga for I initiate my talk the way I initiated, bro. Look, they choose many wrong leaders and put them in the right place. At a walk, bro, they fight Yaya Jab. Amanke ko Yaya Jab man tra do ko la. Yaya Jab in political party be le command for period do ko ke man song from UDP to down. You understand? Because they want to lead Gambians in a way which is going to satisfy the West, bro. We are not Western people, na brother. Until we are Gambians, we are Mandinkas and Manjakos and Fulas and Cyril and Sarahulis. We have norms, we have ethics, we have traditions and culture. Bro, you understand? Bro, we need a patriotic pan-African leader, period. We don't need puppet leaders, na brother. Yeah, puppets on the
mentioned just here last week. Yeah, remember the Momeo Mofano Burfoot. Justice Jete ordered delay. They should kill him by 2 ways. Either hang by Minister of Justice or a fair and squad. Don't you also think that the government need to revive that death penalty back? Purka nati bang. Yes, sample set more lab. Kom ya jambe kake no nyame.
What death penalty latin na opposition all ye Gambian all be brainwash ka foko this guy is a dictator. Ntol fal fo ngun dictator leti bro. Mfal ka fo nyol ko ibe suba sallal wala nge balo kandindi.
No, ofante ala me mol dada. Fama jahana badada.
Allah dictate us what to do, how to live, bro. We must be dictated. Munam dictator in Mandikan, Jola and Fula. We are brainwashed, bro. They brainwash us and the most brainwashed people like a load platform also to act like they are intellectual and educated, bro. They are all educated fools, na brother. You know, Nilon Dobe de Bulu Gambia Betamila General, bro, because they don't have nothing to offer, bro.
Absolutely.
I'm telling you, Mandinkolko.
Mem for in Jahal. Yaya Jammeh, despite everything, I remember when he came to power, I was only 4 years old. Yeah, but come at the end, me call keta. Aka thinking I more aso. Come you remember kekak. Billah wallahi ta'ala, he's going to stop it. But men the jahal from June, and then July men kono teng. I can name Brikama, mo sabale faje, Basse mo fulala faje, Jang atodu Kololi. Jana ñu faro keda min dol fonte man is it
Latrikunda Jama
mo kiline faji Bakaw mo kiline faji Busumbale mo kiline faji and that other place where you boy do men fanam faji. So I thought more in 1 month 8 people just lost their life and faji koda. Thank you so much. And faji koda. So we are talking about in 30 days over 10 people were killed.
Andong the politician who have initiated this change, do you hear them expressing their frustration like we the ordinary citizens?
Thank you. What I blame is not only about Barrow. You understand? But even a politician or something.
Yeah. Ndeme do ko dulal nso doronga elaborate ngal fenge. But Ajibe bro, they are more tata we don't need each and any politician who have participated in coalition 2016. Period. They are all Western puppets. They don't have nothing to offer for the Gambian people. Na brother. We need Jammeh back or somebody far matter than Jammeh. Somebody who will deliver far more than Jammeh, brother. You understand? We fight fire with fire. We fight evil with prayers, na brother. Bro.
Absolutely.
Gambia don't forget safe in their own country, na brother. Because they choose puppet leaders, na brother. They are all puppets. New politicians all be Gambia president Sirang aspire can they all want to rule Gambia in a way which is going to please the West.
Absolutely. Bro. Absolutely.
Now very kilo tela puri low cut kaita de koyoko. Bro, ajibe mfire moment after fire how to rule his family. Bro. You can feel. And when you lead also, that's how they wanna lead. They wanna lead by pleasing the West. Yaya Jammeh is the solution and ajibe Gambian will be rise. I'm the one who is telling you this today. You understand? Minu fongo Yaya Jammeh fight lebe rise la one day ka foko they need him by hook or crook, bro. Ngata dron bro. Yalam futu jelle be taskam because of bro satebe koliaren ke all fongo minke la dépense all soto no ima soto no ila musol be disrespect am bro.
No men from the Gambia right now, huh? Come fana be glorying.
Bro, we need Yaya Jammeh back. That is the solution. Amud nina ni. A country which is 95% Muslim.
I don't. Yalam Munde Jam is an open platform. Anybody.
That's what I'm telling you. As a concerned citizen of that country, I'm giving you my own part.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
We have to.
That's what I'm saying, and then we understand that. Yeah. I'm not trying to disrespect any politician. I'm just saying.
No, but
what
for right
they
now,
have done.
All these politicians that are taking for this office, everyone is weak.
And mandingkol ko ni takita ike takidula ni boita ni takita boita ike takidula aljibe manke boita dame. That's a proverb, bro. You understand? So ajibe Gambia political how toxic
it is. Strong. Yala nima agree da menna. Mansa kilin jamano be ka banko bang. Gambia manke ya
mau foede. Nying konsebo fango mbe bulutam fango te fango mawo fo. And do you know the reason why I'm telling you what I'm telling you, bro? Ajibe bro, ngabele foede. Gambians are frustrated. Gambians are not happy. You understand?
Yes.
And Gambia is far more than this politician. If I told this is the Gambia they want to offer us, let them fucking give us back the Gambia which we already have already. Gambia we have no killings. Yeah, bro, you think this is a joke, bro? This is not a joke, my brother.
It's crazy.
This is moment I felt sugar coat like them, bro. They are puppet leaders and we don't want to be ruled by puppets. We need somebody like Yaya Jammeh or far more than Yaya Jammeh, bro. We need a real Gambian dingo, bro. Until we are proud Gambians, bro. Until ajibe fuare ya, bro. Ajibe until fuare ya bukati nga mo buda neo. Funding. We need that kind of leader. Na di amta dunia be alonko hey. Ni ala da nga ala jele, bro. You understand? From Bawo said for Duma Motije who can offer Gambia that kind of Gambia, brother.
Barrow is not a solution with all what we are going
to do. And who gave us Barrow? And who gave us Barrow? Where did Barrow come from? People just want to sugarcoat it. But Barrow way of politics, who teach Barrow politics? Which kind of politics is Barrow offering to the Gambian people? It's the politics which he have been taught from UDP, isn't it?
No, the problem is Menje, we have a very weak leadership in Gambia. That is the fact.
That's why we should claim back the strong leadership we have. Now, brother Ajibe,
yes.
A man must be a man, now, brother Ajibe. In life, bro, Ajibe, life come with circumstances and conditions, bro. You have to fight to deserve what belongs to you. You understand? Yeah, bro, Ajibe, until we need a leader which, you know, if we look at you, we will admire you. Bro, there is no perfect leadership. There is no leadership without opposition, and it is each and every Gambian constitutional right to affiliate yourself with any political ideology you want to. Fonde? Yeah. So Tonyati, they cannot offer, they see their personal and selfish interest than the Gambia. You not coalition of work because Nakana Gambia more than general, bro, they won't disintegrate it, regardless of what their differences are. But they end up seeing their personal and selfish interest than the nation's interest. You not 2016 coalition of work, bro.
But anyway, thank you, OG, thank you. There are a lot of people on the line. Thank you, respect. Yes, respect. Thank you. We respect everybody's opinion, Jam. I still don't believe that we need Jamme. We don't need him. Then we don't need Barrow. Also, we need a strong leader. But we cannot just say Gambia Barrow Jamme need to come back to do what he ruled for 22 years. I understand he went. He's a history. So we don't need him back. I menke Jamelom, the leader nyandaka strong, and the constitution. We need a strong constitution. We don't need strong leaders. You understand? So neither the constitution is strong, the leaders only Gambia Kanu, and then we move forward. But Jamme for what? Gambia Kotake. When he want to come, he can come as a private citizen at Akanila, but not as our leader again. No, for what Gambia. So Tima, Bismillah. You can bring in your
Assalamualaikum, Bob.
Walaikum salam. Yes.
Mal be kontono.
Mbejola.
Yeah, your topic will be important about it because Gambia kata jamming is very sad. But nte mean suggest Gambia, Bob. You move for niaja asiata because security long. Because in Tolio community in Fajikunda, one case sort of since 2019. That case, around can still now. Kewo ana sembo ikoya deport nande since aka tole mole alfalu ni kabona jame onto akata ake attack. Ya understand no na be attack la muro wala katari buloko no da sembo warta. Akafa be fala. Ya understand those people na elder solom labonga tina na community mobile selatanya. But since 2019 corona time or the case nyimbe on nkata faji kunda police station or bundum police station or still now wo case nin tata ika la kendi ngo fonka police ol fangol ndoni lata kendo nyen kam bob police afango iya bula selo kono ani mel victim woltini na lota nyola akayita ndi police ol be katari jaka so mbakari falale police ol be nyati lola ya jale so wo ko nyin imes men kendo nyin samba court e kamuda fay ko kendo e ko amen kende ya samba kampama just like 2 weeks 1 month doron pam ya bula bob ndung akatala
would report that one to the police but right now in case all member keren
my society tinyata bakele bob ni ya mol fa wala na ko kata zero ko kata nothing police ke borin police lay buka fembon dije so nyine mo fasia banko kan so say nyanna min kala ni ya mo fa ni mi ya mo
let's just sit and discuss. We are talking about this crazy man. Because ni mankulu, amang respect soto, amang gamelo respect. Nkaila kumo fobi. Ya, inam nyamaro di me alonko. Atara mola gara soto, atara je afa last week. Ya arrest ya sama court. So bi brother court ay gambe be banning. Akata mo wori mo be mala fo saram nyadi lo ma sura account of je nyame. So bi mbolo diam kan ni mo family be caring. We counted here in 1 month over 10 people yolefa. So what is going on? Drogol me na banko kan namba fanga week leadership la sort of wala nyanda ka dead penalty le muruni na momo after contribute la just send me fenko nina 2 minutes you just go down do fanina. Yeah, African you have 2 minutes to
go. Guy number wa program in the diaring. Yeah, just definitely committee, left the comment at the committee, as a country, like we need Jammeh back. No, like to that statement, like I disagree with that. Jammeh time Kele, he's gone. He did something great. Some, some also not. But regardless, at all times, but just investment for no committee sign thing. More family making Gambia, the main institution committee, blame lala, the Gambian government, Adam Barrow nala nyar, fongo, government, katu, imakea, Gambia constitution okono, committee, abijele. So, called democracy committee, ikanyi menjube yalo democracy, neatar non committee, Adam Barrow nala masakundako, they are working for the democracy, which means like a democracy should be. Yes. So sign Gambia me mubanko, mome ngalonko, kiome ngalonko. Then you let that.
Yeah, you can.
I think he was even. I had check sana for nga the way post ka for na for banning kana pro ka picture ta kan banning kan. This man yala mo ning kidio bi nga kidio kunta dre ning fa because this man does not care. No hana fin no ngala neighbor so la interview mo no Facebook. Because this is not the first time I'm more father.
Video info bar hollo ya mele abe gal banning kan yan.
What the hell?
Imagine. Look at this.
Look at you more for that mean for Gambia Bankoka. So I'm not the mommy of Mofa. We'll think that I forgot to do for them fa. Because our neighbors saw Nila interview their Facebook. Silo. So when a Baroe mold security jiba back and that's not even the case. Some abandon an election or that Gamino le join together, let them coalition of Fenkeba, Mole coalition of Keba, Massa, Yabaro willing the Modo and Nana. And I'm looking for winning Jammeh back. That's something that we spoke about. Jammeh Minkejang, Molwe Bay or Jelly. Yeah, and that's because security ha. But na mulga ye man the same thing. Come you ka kele come keka na mulba but Jammeh fan time the same thing was happening. Because na mulga ye man they bukela more long up kata nyaming. So we don't need Jammeh also back. The little more la mia ko abin banku dingol tankala. Cause security tight in the banku e chama with laws. But he can't go then the baro then Yajambe Nani Yajambe Fort Nano. That's Gambian folks. I don't know how they think. They're gonna be a president in that country again.
Anymore, it's done. That one is done. I
cannot understand. Jambe Paso Bandra, what time is that? But Jambe, okay, that one is out of option right now. So Gambia will be Nana join together. You join UDP because nothing I understand. Ying patin dingal be coalita, it's about budel. UDP lo da fire at about budel. So the best thing, coalition new and bar UDP, baro bandi. Yela additional make, yela agreement so landi. Then Mobi be miracle own selfish motive. Gambia Bidakanya is very sad. Don't tell the Yabari family be jail. It seems I've come to be jail, honey. Dugo be la bes la na mol bi jeel. Ibe sile fondo ko ma be wullale. Fon ko ma be wulla fon ba be wullale.
Yeah, okay, Kex is here.
So
Kex,
that
okay, but Kex Bijanne, Kex, please, if you want to join us, please send me a request. Ngana kewa so janne Kexane at a small mark no afu mole exactly men get a court because we are so angry. I'm so angry when I saw this video. I think I look at Kex phone in the jele. So Kex, please send me a request. Manga Kex invite. Let me invite Kex. No, Kex muna kebal tabenala. Kex need to come and tell us what happened in the court. Nyemun kulubali yale ko lado. Okay, Kex is here. Okay. Kex mbima wa bimbe kala jaran. Nakewa. You know, we are so furious. We are angry, yeah. I've never seen anything like this in the world. Where Yemo Lamo fa allegedly Maranga Fonyama, it had a court and he's insulted because Ngalaka better than Nenka Wonya, Bulufengo Ningen. What happened?
Yeah, when the incident happens, I was among the people made along I tried to find his image because not on the car. And for people to actually address him, Momembe Borola, you need to distribute his picture so that a public will be able to identify him. But police will cannot be at everywhere.
Yeah.
So, and I do that, and thanks to that effort, because Mayor Mutanunka hand over to the police was a civilian, and he relied on those pictures he saw on on the platform. Police will find another pictures, so they rely on those pictures also. Olatina, he was able to be identified. So come find Bala because that night we went with the police up to his house. Na try more fight than go men I obey Urala Bongono in Sukuta, then he wear no new clothes so that the Senegambia party like Fofanoka than Somandani. He was trying to escape. That was the time one civilian were recognized through the picture soul. So come find Bala, but we are very used to this. He insulted my mother because Kabamina I got the information.
Can you imagine?
So he said so many things, So, but for us, we are very used to that. So until we are very, very used to those things, so always when issues of this nature come in court, people accuse people will always insult journalists, and they are the ones who are populating what happens. But that's our job, that we need to inform the public what happens in the court. So these things comes before the court, but even in the courtroom, so he was very rude to the judge, the magistrate, because Kabiye magistrate FC my new magistrate, but it's FS Camera, something like that. New magistrate on your mother hand over level to hear the case. So Kabiya and the matter is memo is a capital offense, where he can be sentenced to life imprisonment or he will be sentenced to death. These two options, if he is found wanting. So, and the magistrate court doesn't have the jurisdiction to try such types of courts. So, it could be matter transfer. And then the magistrate court, and maybe the Namoto Chabo in Nakodon in a mobile police will bula for your dinner. But in the manner and the way he's even saying that, Ekalonko, he's very rude. And for a so magistrate I didn't have the jurisdiction to matter here. So, neither high court, you can hear all those things. So, I think I'm fana, Majaka for combating phone, I often doing the TikTok or on
So basically, Kex, you were the first person that reported about this. It for a picture that obviously about grievance of jail. But come it had in the mental court, but it had
no, Kulubali Adam. Bubantel na bestele late kundale. The Doma mentara Jamani Bakara Niwalekatante and Anela Bunkono almost on several occasions because I knew I was staying in a 3-bedroom and a parlor with my younger brother, so the other room is free. So why do I can work on the Akela, but Kabinte ala behavior soldier not from do my Quasimo Bondacor. But all the time, 9 days later, Kundafa can command the brother Lafan. There is no single time found and then commanding to a found. So, but because of that picture, Solman Finda, because that night, Borola Wadoman, he was seeing all the pictures on social media, and more especially it is coming from my platform. Yes, I'll make a reference to picture credit by Kex. So I will let you all come for the Babulu. Kex was the cause of me and Namuta Tombi. I will be escaped because I didn't. So, but at the end of the day, we are trying to also help our as a citizen, concerned citizen, very wise and obeying dealer. And I didn't regret my action. and alhamdulillah it helped the police and the community to capture him because I bought him for funding even though he's not a Gambian, he's from Senegal, but I never make a Gambia jam Gambia jam when it comes to as a citizen of this country. So that shows you important.
Absolutely. I remember me and you going to this guy's garage. Man, for that the same garage number.
What farm very good. Nyeka kumande na nefaita ja ela baga so utu la moto bala fon ya la paso jo ita be nyini na fa moto e fix. Wato le Canadian ya nyini ka sa fa settle low my job. Man, I could remember 3 days before his death. Now, commanding an officer remember for around Bako Independence Stadium or another Fonko Wutu na Motola Dinamo at other Pakato and Ninja Raya fix. In Onkako Jola Konyano, you settle low my job. I still now have that wave transfer in my phone. So that's how much the boy is like Kundaje. Come to Wuluta Gambia, come to Kaina Farming Gambia Dingola.
It have a court lay, you know, big and Bekela journalist, it have a court lay. But right now, from June 1st, can I sign, we are talking about the dates, the young people, women, father, come Brikama, those 2 people, even Lipa until Tabo Koto J. I understand this incident, Jana, other place, the may remember that if I Kunda, I understand it. What is your advice to the young people? Message like them because what are reason these things are happening and what need to be done?
Yeah, so Ebajala go Tonya Leafo from the Brikama Duruma Koron incident. You come to the Fajikunda incident, me and 18 years didn't know more for. You go to Fajara, the university student, you come to Latekunda German, you go to CRR in Bansang, Galemanda, just Kununkoba. You count within a space of 1 month, almost you are counting of almost 7-8 murder cases, Melalonko, Ekamoso Murula. It's very serious, it's alarming. And when problems are happening, what government should do is to what is the cost factor? It is very, very important to investigate, just not only Kavoreko, okay, let's just Abekekana and we just arrest the person and somebody. But sometimes you look at what is the cost factor, what is causing these things. You know, government need to look into that because the drugs that are coming to the country. Is it because of there's another factor that is into it? Is it because of the security lapses? Or is it, you need to at least do an investigation. That is the essence of a government, to investigate and tell us that concretely this is what happens. But, you know, if you want to look at the fire brigade system, whereby you go and arrest that party, arranged before the court, it puts citizens to put the law in their own hands. And during the Kundala incident, if people didn't stop those angry youths, they would have put the law in their own hands. Hadn't been that way, they would have killed him. You look at that of the Yunus Ambai's case too. University student Kabeko Barimala the court to mile to Yajala the actions there. And police will try and Puria escape in the Nunia because at the end of the day, people are now seeing that this is a routine that is happening all the time. People are just stabbing people. So we need to look at what is happening. What is the cost factor of this? Why is it happening? You know, and once you know that, then you can now diagnose the problem to know that if it is lack of employment, how do you solve those? If it is because of the drugs that are coming, how do you control the borders, you know, so that drugs are not coming? If it is because of lack of security lab to make sure that we arrest all those people. So these are some of the issues that we need to look into. But if we didn't look into that, it's going to be alarming. And we have seen so many murder cases that are happening, you know, in the space of within 1 month, you know, what is happening, and it's alarming, and it should be a concern to every citizen.
Kex, thank you so much. But Kex, I think you will need to say this again because, to be honest, since I was born, I've never seen a rude murderer like this because being a major court maybe or something, but to come to you, I'm so sorry that itara do ko when hate ning banendrol be sikela, but this is crazy. Come I banendrol menke and then I move and then come I banko bele banembi I move bele banem move bele thing, you know. But
if you look at the whole so the Buba la fire, the Ibu's family be mon can Mele Buba Ibu Freo Samba Senegal upon their arrival. If they tell you how the family was, because Buba was the breadwinner of the family, trying to struggle the little that he have in the Gambia to send it to his family to survive. You know, Wole alonko harm the person that they lose today. Ola when Nikuya kon Hansa or man Nikuya from Wole na video jeko moment na more far he's not even remorseful. I give Babe Bando because in Bando you be below who are you insulting? You are almost insulting the entire nation. Whoever contributed to this thing, whoever sympathetic with Buba, will be learning kamje because kabafinda moto kono daga bulu kumbala wulenda until benye sign all on question to inform the citizens what is happening. So until abukan disturb nak because you know, it's a job that I have chosen, and I know that it comes with challenges.
Under safety right now, because under safety right now, to me is a big concern because you people are after these criminals and then Al-K Bondi. You know, it's. I'm praying for you. I'm praying for everybody that is there, but especially you because Gambia court kai niaje be molka what is happening in the court thanks to you and your effort and Alada Mane be jola wala. But lastly also Kex niaje be from the people that are involved in these cases now, they are all young people. Yeah. Don't you think government also need to put into mechanism because but in my country where like you can go to a club and meet with a 13, 14, 12, 15, 16-year-old girl or boy at a club okono. What I've been ngane te yanga fe Kex imam mo apartment no block 14, 15 years ngata nga fenk. Don't you think government also need to put a policy in place? Mental apartment
board put a maturity echotola bankola responsibility and both moral and terms of how to put the enabling environment so that you will not be exposed to so many things. Melanco will make you a criminal, drug, so you will not be exposed to so many things that are happening in our country. Mele alonko abatina you will develop the mind of a criminality. It is still you know. Hani ni andara jibe dindol memfanga wafiro kenan bedol kono jang. I think mele alonko they are called child labor, which is the law is here in this country. But we are very good in terms of designing laws. But when to implement is the problem. But state has to protect every child. Mele alonko amandra for that maturity level. But this is what is not happening in our country. Ekayo kona people who are exposed to things. Just walk away like you go to around the Senegambia area. So you see what is happening in our streets also. What are you telling a young child? Mele alonko akamusoja belorensi and the person is waiting for a custom or like fendu menanka suti other things. So didn't mature. If you see that he just normalize it, because this is normal. Why not government put a policy? Whoever is gonna do those type of works, you stay in a place where by Momo Sulatila Mariminata rather than you going to the street and just standing there. You are normalizing it because it becomes normal to him. Why not I do it? So it becomes a normal. And Jikol Molkanyo sound the Jikola, Molka Koje, they photocopy, they imitate it and other things. So these are issues they are all happening in our country. But what are we doing to so that we safeguard our young generations that are coming? In terms of the young people, look at the crime there. Just the 18 years child. Why was he exposed to all those things? So, you know, because I can't in Fajara. Why allowing encouraging all those people even to go there at the first places because the club soul doesn't have those things. So he got 17 years, 16 years, so the club he's exposed to the Abelorin, Molbe Droko, Malanya, Siga Sabalanya Amaji. Tandila kontemo bandiol de dangam ya entanda so afana kada fa miracle that's normal. So once that becomes normal to the party okay, society already accepted this, so the party doesn't care again. So government must make sure that they protect its citizens in such age, tender age also, to make sure that they put policies and programs that will safeguard the young generation coming, because this will be the future leaders. But what I'm seeing at this country right now is very alarming and is very, very dangerous, and I think we need to come with policies in terms of avoiding certain situations, because at the end of the day, we are not nurturing the next generations in a good and a professional manner. So and it starts from the home. Like sometimes like 10 years, 12 years, he meet with every type of human being in the society, and we don't have good people in the society. So so at the end of the day, he will use any means whereby you look at the young people coming from our school system every year. How many thousands of students are graduating from our school system, but how many are consumed by the job market? So these are factors. So you sit down after 12 years or 13 years in school or 15 years, because near 12 years in basic education or up to grade 12. GTTI or any skill center. 3 years that's 15 years almost. From there, you don't have a job. So you model kamurila parents so they use any means whereby they can have money. That's why can you robbery attack soldier. So all these things are factors. How do we create that employment for the young people that are coming from our school system? So all these things are issues that you need to address them. That's why you have the labor department to know all the people that are graduating from our school system. What type of skills do they graduate with? So that we make sure that the job market consume them. But are we creating those employment? So now you have so many young people in the street, and once you stay in the street, then you develop the street life. Once you develop the street life, now you don't fear anything. So my neighbor in my house, Alamoto Aranko to Johnson, another world direct. I bolt a lord in Johnson. The guy is a tanka be watching. A jita rek pour kala moto simo jibe sapitaka. Ye murolo ndaka kai ko la mobile oni la laptop obedina, la mobile full obedina la laptop odin. And they left away with those things all. So you see that nobody is even safe.
Do fana ko nyoko ko say ka dun korda ko la meter off. So they think porque la meter check rek they attack you. So
they attack you. Just look at the Esola case, right?
Yeah, Esola
case. Yeah, and so many of those things also. This is the issue. So if people are definitely not safe, it's a concern. So I think we all need to, it's a collective responsibility. All of us should be a community police. All of us should be a police officers to make sure that
nin saba dobe 13 dobe 15 dobe 14 yedi nin dolo boda ya gambute fa fate block just on Saturday be the police be the police so Kex, anyway, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Please boy, be safe. Thank you. So guys,